Welcome to Infinity Blend, where we give you the hard truth about what boys really find attractive. Today, we're going to talk about how a girl can attract a boy. So, let's dive in. Confidence is key. Boys are attracted to girls who are confident and sure of themselves. It's not just about being outgoing and assertive, but also about being comfortable in your own skin. Embrace your uniqueness. Authenticity is attractive. Be yourself and let your natural charm shine. Don't pretend to be someone you're not or fake interests just to impress. Genuine connections are built on honesty. Being interesting doesn't mean you have to be the life of the party. It's about having something to offer and being able to hold a conversation. Show your curiosity and engage in meaningful discussions. Challenge him intellectually. Boys are attracted to girls who make them think. Don't be afraid to express your opinions and engage in healthy debates. Stimulate his mind. Listening is key. Boys appreciate girls who are good listeners. Show genuine interest in what he has to say and follow his train of thought. It's all about building a connection. Don't forget to have fun. Boys are attracted to girls who know how to enjoy themselves. Let loose, be spontaneous, and create memorable moments together. Remember, attracting a boy is not about changing who you are. It's about embracing your true self and showcasing your best qualities. So go out there, be confident, be authentic, be interesting, be challenging, be a good listener, and most importantly, be yourself. Please do subscribe my channel for more future content.